Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.5 logarithmic differentiation. Already we discussed first 12 problems in part 1 and part 2. Now today we are going to continue from problem number 12. So find dy by dx of the following exercise from 12 to 15. So in the 12th problem is x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. So how to solve x power y plus y power x is equal to 1. So finally you need to get dy by dx. So that's why first of all consider first function as u. Let u is equal to x power y and second function as v, y power x. Then this the given function will become u plus v is equal to 1. Next, applying differentiation on both sides, dy by dx of u plus v, differentiating the given function with respect to x on both sides, dy by dx of u plus v is equal to dy by dx of 1. So du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. So first find du by dx, next find dv by dx, next add the both and equal to 0, then you will get dy by dx. So first function u is equal to x power y. Apply log on both sides for this function. Log u is equal to log of x power y. Log u is equal to, this is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n means n into log x. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of y into log x. So here y log x, two different functions are there. Y is algebraic function, log x is logarithmic function. Between them product sign is there. So that's why I apply uv rule. So derivative of log u is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to u into y into derivative of log x plus log x into d by dx of y. Next, 1 by u into du by dx is equal to y into derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of y is dy by dx. Next, by cross multiplying du by dx is equal to u into y into 1 by x means we can write it as x power minus 1 plus log x into dy by dx. Next, du by dx is equal to u into, what is u? U means x power y. X power y into x power minus 1 plus log x into dy by dx. If you multiply x power y inside the function, du by dx is equal to x bases are equal, so we can add the powers, y into x power y minus 1 plus x power y into log x into dy by dx. This is du by dx, derivative of the function u. Derivative of this function is over. Next, find dv by dx. So how to find dv by dx? What is v? V is equal to y power x. Apply log on both sides. Log v is equal to log of y power x. So log v is equal to, this is in the form of log x power n log x. Next, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of log v is equal to d by dx of x into log y into x. Again logarithmic function, algebraic function, between these two functions product sign is there. So apply uv rule. Derivative of log v is 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to log y into dy by dx of x plus x into dy by dx of log y. Next, by cross multiplying dv by dx is equal to how much we will get? V into log y into log y into derivative of x is 1 plus x into Derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Next, dv by dx is equal to v. V into, what is v means? Y power x into log y plus x into 1 by y means we can write it as y power minus 1 into dy by dx. So dv by dx is equal to, if you multiply y power x inside the function, then what we will get? Y power x log y plus x into y. Bases are equal. So if bases are equal, we can add the powers. X power y power x minus 1 into dy by dx. This is dv by dx and this is du by dx. This is the value of du by dx. Next, what to find dy by dx? Here from equation number 1, du by dx plus dv by dx must be equal to 0. So that's why first of all take this function and add the both function and equate to 0. So what we have to do is du by dx. So this is the value of du by dx plus dv by dx. What is dv by dx? Y power x into log y plus x into y power x minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So x power y minus 1 into y plus y power x into log y plus, among these two terms dy by dx is common. So I am taking dy by dx common. X power y into log x plus x into y power x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, send this term to the left hand side. Dy by dx, right hand side. Dy by dx into x power y log x plus x into y power x minus 1 is equal to minus of y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus of y into x power y minus 1 plus y power x into log y is equal by x power y into log x into y power x minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx. Next, 13th problem, y power x is equal to x power y. So apply log on both sides for this problem. Log of y power x is equal to log of x power y. This is in the form of log x power n. So x log y is equal to y log x. Next, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of x log y is equal to d by dx of y into log x. So y log x, here x log y, uv, two different functions are there, so apply uv rule. X into d by dx of log y plus log y into d by dx of x is equal to y into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of y. Next, x into derivative d by dx of log x is 1 by x, but this is not log x, log y. So what is the derivative of log y? 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y into derivative of x is 1 is equal to y into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into dy by dx. So x by y, send this term to the right hand side, send this term to the left hand side. Log y minus y by x is equal to log x into dy by dx. Next, send this term to the right hand side, minus x by y into dy by dx. So if you take LCM, what we will get? X log y minus y by x is equal to dy by dx. If you take common, log x minus x by y you will get. Next, x log y minus y by x is equal to dy by dx into y log x minus x by y if you take the LCM. So what is dy by dx? By cross multiplying, dy by dx is equal to y into x log y minus y by cross multiplying, this term will come down, x into y log x minus x, y log x minus x. This is the value of dy by dx for 13th problem. Next problem, cos x whole power y is equal to cos y whole power x. Function power function, function power function is there. So that's why apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log of cos x whole power y is equal to log of cos y whole power x. So this is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n is equal to y log cos x is equal to x log cos y. Next, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of y into log of cos x is equal to d by dx of x into log of cos y. So u v, y log of cos x, x log of cos y. If you apply UV rule for this problem, y into d by dx of log of cos x plus log of cos x into d by dx of y is equal to x into d by dx of log of cos y plus log of cos y into d by dx of x. Next, y into derivative of log cos x is 1 by cos x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x plus log of cos x into dy by dx is equal to x into derivative of log cos y. Assume this as x. Derivative of log cos y is 1 by cos y into dy by dx of cos y is plus log cos y into derivative of x is 1. So this is y into minus sin x by cos x means minus tan x plus log cos x into dy by dx is equal to x by cos y into derivative of d by dx of cos x is minus sin x, but this is not cos x, cos y. So derivative of cos y means minus sin y into dy by dx plus log of cos y. So send this term to the right hand side, send this minus y tan x to the left hand side. So then right hand side, then what we will get? Log cos x into dy by dx plus x minus sin y by cos y means tan y. So this will become x tan y into dy by dx is equal to log cos y plus y tan x. So among these two terms, dy by dx is common. Take dy by dx common, then what we will get? Log cos x plus x tan y is equal to log cos y plus y tan x. Then what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to log cos y plus y tan x by log cos x plus x tan y. This is the derivative of the given function. Next, 15th problem, xy is equal to e power x minus y. So for this problem also apply log on both sides. Log of xy is equal to log of e power x minus y. Next, this is in the form of log AB. Log AB means formula log A plus log B. This is the property of the logarithm. So log x plus log of xy means log x plus log y according to logarithm property, and this is in the form of log x power n. Log x power n means n log x, n log x. So log x plus log y is equal to x minus y into log e value is 1. So 1 into x minus y is x minus y. So next, apply differentiation on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, log d by dx of log x plus log y is equal to d by dx of x minus y. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of x is 1 minus dy by dx. So send this 1 by x to the right hand side. Send this dy by dx to the left hand side. 1 by y into dy by dx plus dy by dx is equal to, send this 1 by x to the right hand side. So it will become 1 minus 1 by x. So dy by dx, if you take common, what we will get? 1 by y plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by x. Next, take LCM. Dy by dx is equal to, if you take LCM, dy by dx into, if you take LCM, 1 plus y is equal to x minus 1 by x. If you take LCM in right hand side. Next, so dy by dx is equal to, by cross multiplying, what we will get? Y into x minus 1 by x into 1 plus y. X into 1 plus y. This is the derivative of the 15th problem. Next problem, find the derivative of the function given by f of x equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8, and hence find f dash of 1. So what is given? F of x is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4 into 1 plus x power 8. So f of x is equal to, so here between every term product sign is there. So first of all I am multiplying first two terms. 1 into 1, 1 plus x square plus x cube we will get. Next, if you multiply these two terms, what we will get? 1 plus x power 8 plus x power 4 plus x power 12 we will get. Next, f of x is equal to, next multiply every term with every term. 1 into 1 plus x power 8 plus x power 4 plus x power 12 we will get x power 12 plus x square into 1 x square plus x power 10 plus x power 6 plus x power 14 we will get. Next, multiply with x plus x power 9 plus x power 5 plus x power 13 plus, next multiply every term with x cube plus x power 11 plus x power 7 plus x power 15 we will get. Next, what we have to find? We have to find f dash of 1. So that's why apply differentiation on both sides. D by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of 1 plus x power 8 plus x power 4 plus x power 12 plus x square plus x power 10 plus x power 6 plus x power 14 plus x power 9 plus x power 5 plus x power 13 plus x power 3 plus x power 11 plus x power 7 plus x power 15. Next, derivative of f of x is called as f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to, derivative of 1 is 0, 8 into x power 7, derivative of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. So in the place of n, how much is there? 8 is there. So 8 into x power 8 minus 1 means 8x power 7. Similarly, derivative of x power 4 is 4x cube plus 12x power 11 plus 2x plus 10x power 9 plus 6x power 5 plus 14 into x power 13 plus 1 plus 9 into x power 8 plus 5 into x power 4 plus 13 into x power 12 plus 3x square plus 11 into x power 10 plus 7 into x power 6 plus 15 into x power 14. What we need to find? F dash of 1. F dash of 1 is equal to, replace x with 1. Wherever x is there, replace x with 1. So it will become 8. 1 power 7 means 1. 1 into 8, 8. 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 2 plus 10 plus 6 plus 14 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 13 plus 3 plus 11 plus 7 plus 15. So how much we will get finally? F dash of 1 is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 26, 36, 42, 42 plus 42 plus 14, 56, 57, 57, 66, 66, 71, 71 plus 13, 84, 84, 87, 87 plus 11, 87 plus 11, 7 plus 1, 98, 98, 7, 15, 120. So f dash of 1 is equal to 120. This is the value of the given function. Next problem, differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in 3 ways mentioned below by using product rule, by expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial, next by using logarithmic differentiation. Do they all give the same answer? So what is the given problem? Y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So what is the first method we have to do? By using product rule. By using product rule we have to differentiate. By using product rule. So the given function is y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So apply differentiation with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So this is u, this is v. Product rule means uv rule we have to apply. So dy by dx is equal to u into x square minus 5x plus 8 into d by dx of x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus v into x cube plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8. U derivative of v plus v derivative of u is the formula for d by dx of uv. dy by dx is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of 7x is 7, derivative of 9 is 0 plus x cube plus 7x plus 9 into derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of 5x is 5 plus derivative of 8 is 0. So this is 0. Plus 0 means no need to write. Here also plus 0 means no need to write. Next, dy by dx is equal to, multiply these two terms. 3x square into x square is 3x power 4 plus 7x square minus 5x into 3x square minus 15x cube minus 5x into 7 minus 35x plus 8 into 3 24x square plus 56 plus x cube into 2x, 2x power 4 plus minus 5x cube, minus 5x cube plus 7 to the 14x square minus 35x next plus 9 to the 18x minus 9 5 the 45. So dy by dx is equal to 3x power 4 is there here. Here we have 2x power 4. Total 5x power 4. Next minus 15x cube minus 5x cube. So minus 15 minus 5 minus 20x cube. Next plus 7x square plus 24. 7 plus 24 31. 31 plus 14 plus 45 x square, 45x square. Next minus 35x minus 35x minus 70 plus 50 plus 80 means minus 52x, minus 52x. Next 56 minus 45 means 11. So this is the value of dy by dx of the given function by using product rule. Next second method. What is second method? By expanding the product, by expanding the product method, expanding the product. Next, what is the given function? Y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So y is equal to, multiply these two functions, then we can expand the product. Multiply these two, x square into x cube, x power 5 plus 7x cube, x square into 9 is 9x square minus 5x power 4 minus 35x square minus 45x plus 8x cube plus 56x plus 72. So y is equal to x power 5 minus 5x power 4, next 7x cube plus 8x cube, that means plus 15x cube. Next x power 5 is over, minus 5x power 4 is over, next 15x cube is over, next 9x square minus 35x square, 9 minus 35 means minus 26x square. Next 56x minus 45x means plus 11x plus 72. Now apply dy by dx on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Then dy by dx is equal to, derivative of x power y is 5x power 4 minus derivative of 5x power 4 is 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. This is the value of the derivative by expanding the product. What is the answer for by using product rule? 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Check whether both are same or not. 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Why we are comparing means, here they asked the question, do they all give the same answer? Means yes, these two are giving the same answer. 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Now by using logarithmic differentiation I will do it. By using logarithmic differentiation, third method, by using logarithmic differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. So apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Apply log on both sides. Next, log y is equal to, this is in the form of log a into b. Log ab means log a plus log b. Log b means x cube plus 7x plus 9. Next, apply differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x square minus 5x plus 8 is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus derivative of log x cube plus 7x plus 9 is 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into d by dx of x cube plus 7x plus 9. Next, dy by dx is equal to y into derivative of x square is 2x minus 5x is 5, derivative of 8 is 0 by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 7 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 we will get. Next, if you take LCM for this function, dy by dx is equal to y. Y means what? X square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 into if you take LCM for these two function, x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Next, what we will get? 2x minus 5 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x square plus 7 into 3x square plus 7 into x square minus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 8. Next, this term and this term both gets cancelled. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to multiply 2x minus 5 unto this term, 2x into x cube, 2x cube, 2x power 4. Next, 2x into 7x, 14x square. Next, plus 18x minus 5x cube. Next, minus 35x minus 45 plus 3x square into x square, 3x power 4 plus minus 3x square minus 15x cube plus 24x square plus 7x square minus 35x plus 56. Next, so dy by dx is equal to 2x power 4 plus 3x power 4, so total 5x power 4. Next, minus 5x cube minus 15x cube minus 20x cube. Next, 14x square plus 7, 21 plus 24, 45x square. Next, 18x minus 35x minus 17x minus 35x minus 52x plus 56 minus 45 plus 11. This is the value of logarithmic differentiation of the given function. If you compare with the product, then how much we got? 5x power 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. That means whatever may be the method you select, either it may be by using product rule or by using product to obtain a polynomial function, or by using logarithmic differentiation, Answer is the same. Next problem. If u, v and w are functions of x, three different functions of x, then show that derivative of u, v, w with respect to x is equal to du by dx of v, w plus u into dv by dx into w plus uv into dw by dx in two ways by using first by repeated application of product rule. First method is by using product rule, second method is by using logarithmic differentiation. So first by using product rule I am solving product rule. Next, so u, v, w, so let y is equal to u, v, w. Next, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of u, v, w. Next, dy by dx is equal to, consider uv as single function and w as another function. Now assume this as u, this as v, u, v. So derivative of uv means we know u into derivative of u plus u into derivative of v, derivative of v. Next, dy by dx is equal to uv into dw by dx plus w into, again this is in the form of uv. So u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Next, so dy by dx is equal to uv into dw by dx plus w into u into dv by dx plus w into v into du by dx. So this is the derivative of the given u, v, w function. uv into w by dx plus w u into w into dv by dx plus w v into du by dx. This is by using product rule. Next, by using logarithmic differentiation. By using logarithmic differentiation. So let the given function is equal to y. Let y is equal to u, v, w. Apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of u, v, w. Log y is equal to, according to logarithm property, log of ABC is equal to log A plus log B plus log C. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, differentiating with respect to x on both sides, derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log u is 1 by u into du by dx plus log v derivative is 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. Next, by cross multiplying, dy by dx is equal to y into 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx we will get. Next, dy by dx is equal to y. What is y means u, v, w. u, v, w. u, v, w into 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. Next, multiply u, v, w inside the function. So dy by dx is equal to u, v, w into 1 by u into du by dx plus u, v, w into 1 by v into dv by dx plus u, v, w into 1 by w into dw by dx. Next, u gets cancelled, v gets cancelled, w gets cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to vw into du by dx plus uw into dv by dx plus uv into dw by dx. Check whether we got the same or not. vw into dv by dx du by dx plus uw into dv by dx plus uv into dw by dx. So whatever may be the method you select, the differentiation must be the same.